Mayor Maricel Torres of General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite is a picture of a proud mother. She just met 17-year-old Throi Plantilla. He is a grade 12 student from Barangay Madia, GMA Cavite, who became a trending topic on social media due to his resourcefulness and work of art. Plantilla was able to create a portrait of Jennie, one of the members of the popular Korean girl group Blackpink, using a fan frame and thread. The school assignment was to make an artwork using local materials. He used an old fan frame from their backyard and made the string art using 96 hooks. It took him 9 hours to finish the portrait. Plantilla said he shared his artwork online to spread creativity and resourcefulness.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.